Semi-automatic cable stripping and rubber seals crimping machine. This is a semi-automatic wire stripping and rubber seals crimping machine. It is able to strip the wire, insert rubber seals, and crimp terminals automatically. The operator only needs to put the wire head into the working area and then press down foot switch. Then it will strip and seal crimp automatically. It is especially designed for processing the core wires of multi-core cables. This machine adopts servo rotation, guide screw positioning, and realizes the three processes of wearing rubber seals, stripping, and crimping at the same time. The stripping length is adjustable.